Did you know that water can diminish pain? Let me give you an example, sort of like just even when you go to the beach. You know how you feel less stressed? Stress is positive ions. So when you go to the beach and there's all that water, water is negative ions. And it's the exact same principle with pain. Pain is positive ions. I saw a scientific show on television and they were measuring pain on the person and they used a Geiger counter. And wherever they went, that's where the pain was because the Geiger counter was registering the excess positive ions. So if you had a bad shoulder, it would go, and we know your shoulder was bad. Or they could go down your back and determine which vertebrae were giving you pain. Now, water is negative ions. So the water balances out the excess positive ions in pain. As an example, my assistant, when she was having a baby, the nurse came in and she says, well, why don't you go sit in the bathtub over there? It'll help with your birthing pain. Water, pain. And then I had a client who had liver cancer, and they would sit him in a jacuzzi because his liver was racking his body with pain. And they would sit him in the jacuzzi, and the water would negate the positive ions of pain. Now, if you want to do something even more simple, take a washcloth. Just use regular old water. Put it under there. Put it on your throat. If you have a sore throat, and you pull it off, it's just burning hot. Rinse it under water because that burning hot is pulling off the excess positive ions. If you had a headache, you can do the same thing. Running water, normal running water. Put it up here, hold it. Sometimes the pain is so intense, it will dry out the washcloth. Pull it off, you can feel just how hot it is. That means it's pulled off that much pain. So water does help pain, and I hope this will help you because even if you get a little pain going, it's better than not at all. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.